Welcome to the second session of maths class. Today we will be learning about the lesson number 1, rational number and irrational numbers. Last class we have discussed about the infinite number of rational numbers between two rational numbers. For example, 3 upon 5. For example, 3 upon 5 one side and other side 4 upon 5. Here multiplied by 2 upon 2. 2 upon 2, both numerator and denominator. Both numerator and denominator. 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. Next, another side. Here 4 upon 5 is multiplied by 2 upon 2, both numerator and denominator. 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8 and 5 2s are 10, 8 upon 10. 3 upon 5 multiplied by 3 upon 3, 3 upon 3. Here both denominator and numerator. 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15. Another side, 4 upon 5 multiplied by 3 upon 3. 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. Here 6 upon 10 and 9 upon 15 is equivalent to 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5. Here 4 upon 5 into 2 upon 2 is 8 upon 10. 8 upon 10 and 12 upon 15 is equivalent to 4 upon 5. Next, practice set number 1.1. Show the following rational numbers on the number line. Draw a separate number line for each example. For each example. Example 3 by 2, 5 by 2 and minus 3 by 2. Here 3 is numerator and 2 is denominator. Here denominator is 2. Here denominator is 2. Here denominator. Here denominator is 2. And so each units divides into two equal parts. Here 0 is midpoint. 0 is midpoint. Less than 0 value is negative value and greater than 0 value positive value. Right hand side positive value and left hand side negative value. 3 upon 2. Here when add 2 units. Consider as 1, 0, 1. 1 upon 1 is as it is, upon 2 is denominator. Here next 2 units is in between 0 and 1 is 2 units. 2 units means 2 upon the denominator is 2. 2 get cancelled. Here 1. Next 0 to 3. 0 to 1 is 2. 0 to 1 units is 2 units and 0 to 3 units. 0 to 3 units. Next 0 to 3 units means here 3 is 0 to 3 units. 0, 1, 2. Here 0 to 1. There is a when we add 2 units When we add 2 units and consider as 1. Here 0, 1. Denote 1 upon denominator is 2. And here 2 means 2 upon 2. 2 ones are 2. Here 1. Next 0 to 3. 3 as it is upon denominator is 2. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means 4 as it is upon denominator is 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. This is 2. Next 0 to 5. 0 to 5 units. 0 to 5 units upon denominator is 2. 5 upon, this is 5 upon 2. This is 5 upon 2. And this is 3 upon 2. Next, here, negative side or left hand side. 0 to 1, 2 units. 0 to 1, 2 units. There is 1, 1 upon 2. 1 is as it is 0, 1, 1 as it is, denominator is 2. Next, minus 2 upon 2. Here, 2 ones are. This is minus 1. Here, next, 0 to 3. 0 to minus 3 as it is divided by 2. The denominator is 2. समझ में आया कुछ? 7 upon 5 and minus 2 upon 5 comma minus 4 upon 5. Here 0 is midpoint. 0 is midpoint. Left hand side negative value and right hand side positive value. Here the denominator is 5. Here denominator is 5. So each unit is divided into 5 equal parts. Each unit divided into 5 equal parts. Here 0 in between 1, 0 in between 1, 5 units. Here 1 means 0 means 0 as it is 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5 means this is 1 units, denominator is 5. Here 2 units, denominator 5. 3 units means denominator 5 units. And 4 means denominator 4 upon 5 units. Here 1 means 1 units means 1 means here 5 units. 5 units upon 5. 5 units upon denominator is 5. 5 ones are 5. Here 1. Next 0 to 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 means 6 as it is. 6 units as it is. 6 units as it is means here denominator is 5. Here denominator is 5. 6 upon 5. Next 0 to 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 7. 7 denominator is 5. Denominator 5. Here the given value is 7 upon 5. Here the given value is 7 upon 5. Next left hand side. Next left hand side. 0 in between one value. 0 in between one value is 5 units. 0 as it is 1 units. 1 units means 1 minus 1. Here negative value minus 1 upon 5. 5 means denominator is 5. Next 0 to 2 minus 2 upon 5. Here 0 to 3 minus 3 upon 5. Here 0 to 4 minus 4 upon 5. Denominator is 5. Here 0 to 1 minus 1 minus 5 upon denominator is 5. 5 ones are 5. This is minus 5 is minus 1. The given value is minus 2 upon 5. The given value is minus 2 upon 5. 0, 1, 2. 2 units minus 2 denominator upon 5. Denominator upon 5. Here 0 to 4. The given value is minus 4 upon 5. 0 to minus 4 upon 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 4. Minus 4 upon denominator is 5. Here the given value is minus 4 upon 5. Students, please do the exercise given on page number 2 and question number 1, third and fourth. Question number 3rd and 4th for the homework in your classwork book. Thank you for listening.